Do you want to wake up every day feeling beautiful and confident? It's easier than you think. Stick around because I've got the best tips to make you glow inside and out. Stay hydrated. Start your day with a glass of water and keep sipping throughout the day. Staying hydrated not only keeps your skin glowing but also boosts your energy and mood. 2. Skincare routine. Consistency is key. Cleanse to remove impurities, moisturize to lock in hydration, and always protect your skin from harmful UV rays with sunscreen even on cloudy days. 3. Smile more. Nothing is more beautiful than a smile. It's contagious and can instantly brighten your day and those around you. 4. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for. Gratitude isn't just a mindset, it's a beauty secret that radiates positivity. 5. Dress for yourself. Forget trends, wear what makes you feel your best. Confidence is the most stylish thing you can wear. 6. Prioritize sleep. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to wake up refreshed, with bright eyes and glowing skin. 7. Nourish your body. What you eat fuels your beauty from within. Choose colorful fruits, leafy greens, and healthy fats to give your skin that natural glow. 8. Hair care. Your hair deserves care too. Keep it clean, moisturized, and trimmed to maintain a healthy, beautiful look. 9. Light makeup or go natural. Less is often more. Embrace your natural features. And remember, you don't need makeup to be beautiful. Number 10. Self-care rituals. Whether it's a bubble bath, a good book, or just quiet time for yourself, self-care is essential. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Remember, true beauty shines when you care for yourself inside and out. Take these tips to heart, and watch yourself bloom every day. Stay blooming, stay beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.